Yeah, hi everyone. I welcome you to the Sonex Art. Today, I'm going to be showing you and be explain how I make my portraits using a charcoal method. Stay tuned as you all watch. So, first of all, I'm going to be showing you the materials I use in making my charcoal artwork. This is a charcoal pencil I use in creating the sheet. Yeah, later after making the sheet finished, I use this brush. It's locally, you can make yours too in blending the shade. After making the shade, blending the shade. After making the shade, I use this little brush to smooth it and also blend it well. So after making it dark, oh, I use mono zero. Yeah, I use mono zero in creating the highlight. So nothing more of that. I'm going to be explaining everything in full detail as I took you back to the work. So let's go. I want to draw this lady. Then I've already gotten her picture in my pad, as you can see. Then first of all, I make my sketch. So after making the sketch, I start with the shading. So let's start with the dust right now. So as you can see, I'm dipping the phone into the dust. Yes, sometimes you reduce the excess of the dust you get based on what you want to create here. So now I'm looking for a dark shade, so I can dip it a little bit so that I can get the dust effect very well. So let's go. As you can see, yeah, you see the effect. So stuff like this. So like I was explaining, I was trying to explain there. So after getting the dark side of it, as I'm applying here, as you can see, this is just a phone. You can get it yours. I created my locally, so you can get yours too. Very easy and simple to use. So I'm looking at the reference, trying to get the exact sheet ahead. So I think I'm done with that. Here I'm using now charcoal pencil. I shape it very well, trying to get the sharp depth inside. I can use brush to control that. So as you can see, I'm creating the dark effect, like even brush cannot get it. Yeah, I'm still creating the dark shade of it. As you can see, here is very dark compared to the reference. It's very dark here, so I'm making it too dark again. The more darker, the more the quality and the same. One thing with charcoal art is that I love it so much is because of in making it, I feel relaxed and enjoy every bit of detail that's come from it. The stroke of the charcoal pencil, as you can see here, very cool. When there's a light, you throw more light. When there's darkness, you can throw more darkness. Right, you make the originality of the work to come out very perfect. And yeah, using my hand to my front finger to blend it. Yeah, so after blending it the way I want, you get. So I'm still blending it. Yeah, stuff like this. I blend it very well. Fold of the clothes. I'm working on the fold of the clothes now. You can see. Yeah, so after blending it a little bit, I'll dark it a little bit, then make the highlights and stuff like that. Then after darkening it like this, I'll now create the highlights. So finally, I'm trying to trying to create the detailing now. Okay, I'm still on the fold of the cloth, so I'm making some details now. I'm trying to run out the work. This is the effect of mono zero. as you can see, the tiny white lines that I'm using it to create. Do you see that?